first light on the window, dust on the year we outgrew, old scars like folded letters, I'm done reading them through. Deep breath in the quiet, name every fear, let it go. Heartbeat like a drum of courage, leading me out to the road. I've been standing in the doorway, watching chances passing by. Now the sky is turning golden, and I'm stepping to the light. Footprints on fresh pavement, don't need to know where it ends. I'll build trust in every footstep, I'll be my own best friend. Turning all my could-have beens into watch me, here I go. Planting plans like tiny seeds, and I'll stay to see them grow. All the times I felt so broken taught me how to bend, not break. Now my doubts sound like an echo, fading softly in my wake. Hello, 2020 speaks. This is where my new life starts. Every dream I was afraid to pick, I'm holding in my hands. My heart, I'm not running from the past, I'm just walking out of it. Hope is louder than my word. Hello, I forgive the nights I stumbled, I forgive the voice that lied. Every tear became a river, carving strength on the inside. So if I fall this year, I'll rise higher than I did before, with my name on every sunrise. I'm not scared of wanting more. Wanting hope is louder than the hurt. I know 2026.